To set side button, press and hold to speak. In iPhone 14 Pro, open settings. In home screen, tap settings. And then scroll down settings screen, find accessibility. Next, tap accessibility. Select side button. And then on press and hold speak. Select option you want, Siri, classic voice control, or off. For example, classic voice control. Classic voice control will respond when you press and hold the set button. And if you select Siri, Siri will respond when you press and hold the set button. Or you can also turn off this option. There will be no response when you press and hold the set button. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.